Amir. Nice to meet you.
So, thanks for having me.
So, what's a multinational exec's typical day like? Meetings, addressing, interviews, just the tip of the iceberg of daily work for Amir in his 2-day visit in Beijing.
It's ultra busy, but you know what? That's always like that in China. Everything is at high speed and high efficiency.
As the executive vice president of Novo Nordisk, coming to China is an usual and critical thing for him.
China is our largest market after the United States. It's my largest market. I look after the world outside the US, so it's critically important.
But this time is a bit different. In June, a top executive delegation from this Denmark pharma giant, including Amir, visited China, marking one of its largest visits to the country in recent years. But what brings them here this time?
Now we've actually started launching new products in China as the first global market. So we've just launched a product this weekend called Kyonsu. That's a combination of Semaglutide and a unique once-weekly insulin.
And this marks Novo Nordisk's first ever global product launch in China, ahead of the US, Europe, and its home market, Denmark. The firm views China's strong domestic innovation edge as strategically vital, alongside its massive market potential. Nowadays, weight management has become a major concern for growing numbers of people in China. In recent years, some diabetes and obesity medicines have also helped people lose weight. One of them is Semaglutide, developed by Novo Nordisk. Currently, Semaglutide is approved in China for type 2 diabetes and long-term weight management. Even so, Novo Nordisk is going forward with local ecosystem in China.
So we're excited about that, and the global study of how this drug works that we submitted to authorities around the world was actually led by a Chinese professor. So again, showing that now it's not just a matter of bringing innovation to China, it's also a matter of innovating for the world with Chinese healthcare professionals, with Chinese academics. And we were actually the first multinational company to open an R&D center here in Beijing, and we still have a lot of very, very competent colleagues here and keep evolving that. As I said, we just acquired an early asset in China that we are now developing. It's together with the United Laboratories, and then we keep investing. So since we first came to China many years ago, we have invested more than 17 billion yuan here. So a lot of investments, and just this year we keep investing in our large production site in Tianjin.
And since China launched its weight management campaign in 2024, public awareness of healthy lifestyles has grown. Novo Nordisk is also building a comprehensive ecosystem for scientific weight loss to respond to this shift, such as its upgraded WeChat mini program with more services related to overweight and diabetes, which is also based on the company's philosophy and culture.
It's my very first time to see this chair with the stepper.
Yeah, but of course we want to give every colleague a chance to exercise if there's a few available minutes.
And for Amir, weight management shouldn't depend on medicines alone.
If you're normal weight, then just be happy and go about your daily life. And always focus on eating well and exercising. But it's easier said than done for people who have gained weight. And that's where medicine can help you dampen the hunger signals so you get back to a normal weight. But it's important that you also eat healthy. So not eating, that's not the solution. Medicine can never be the sole solution. I think the weight management initiative and the focus on a healthy China is extremely positive. Also, the government has set an aspiration to increase the longevity of the Chinese population, and that's exactly where we also would like to position our offerings as a company, because it is all a matter of not only helping patients live a better and easier life here now, but hopefully also get more quality and a longer lifespan.
So, from this interview, I catch a glimpse of global pharma's new strategy and vision in China. Previously, foreign firms researched overseas and sold in China, but now, Chinese experts lead global trials and local labs develop original therapies. Two-way innovation has become the new industry standard, especially between China and Europe.